Okay, you can either divide it by 2 using your tape, then you come in half of an inch. So you come in half of an inch and you will connect. So for the back, just connect it straight. We have done that already, so you could see that, connect that already. Then go ahead and connect your armhole. Very simple. Go ahead and divide your waist measurement by 4 and divide your hip measurement as well by 4, and you connect those lines. It's very simple. All right, so divide your hip as well by 4. So for this particular class, our hip we are working with is hip 38, so divided by 4 will give us 9.5. so that is why it's touching the tip already. All right, so the next thing is for us to get the dart intake. I call it dart intake. Subtract what you have on the chest line from the waist. That will give the dart intake for the front. Then for the back, the standard we use at GTs ELEGANT is 1 inch. Okay, so then go ahead and connect that intake lines back to your chest line. I go back again. I said for the front, the chest line minus what you have on the waist. That will give you the intake you are supposed to use. Okay, then for the back, we use 1 inches. So when you are done connecting that, the next thing is for you to mark your bust span line, which is also called the nipple to nipple. So for us at GTs ELEGANT, we divide the bust divided by 10 plus 0.25. So we have 3.6 there. Then the same thing, mark that same amount at the back. I go back again. I say the bust span for GTs ELEGANT is bust divided by 10 plus 0.25, or you can simply just mark the difference. You saw that, right? At that point at the armhole area, you can divide it by 2. That can still also give you the bust span line. So you go ahead and divide the intake that you have already taken by the sides into 2. Divide that intake that we marked previously into 2. Okay, so for the front you divide, and for the back it will be half inch, right? Okay, so you can connect that particular line to the chest line, or you can come down 1 inches or half inches away. It's your choice. Then for the back, go down by 6 inches. So because the length that we are working with is quite short, I came up by 1 because I didn't really